Hey, rich friends. It's your girl Cha Cha reporting live from the Money Mantra, and we are back with another Forex education video. The purpose of this channel is to help as many people as possible become independent and profitable traders. So if that's something that you're looking for, this channel will be helpful for you. If you make it to the end of this video and you find that it's helpful, make sure you give it a like, leave me a comment, let me know what you learned, but more importantly, share this video with someone else. So in today's quick video, I'm going to be going over a trade breakdown that I share with my rich friends who I am mentoring this month. Again, I do have a lot of videos on my YouTube channel, but if you find that they are not helpful enough, you can find the information for personal mentorship down below in the description box. Also, if you are on TradingView, you can follow me on TradingView at Money Mantra Cha. As you can see, my name is here in the top left corner. So on July 9th, 2023, around 11 o'clock p.m., I was looking at my charts and I looked at AUDUSD and I decided that I wanted to take it for a sell. So here we can see where I dropped the trade I did in the chat for a sell at market execution or set a sell limit somewhere around 0.66850 or higher. I had a 40 pip stop loss, a 40 pip TP1 for a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio, and then a TP2 of 60 pips for a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward ratio. So this morning, when I got up, I have an update on the trade, which we can see here. TP1 actually was hit, and we were able to catch those 40 pips in the trade. Again, the timestamp is here, July 10th, 2023, from when I published it on TradingView. But I'm going to go ahead and let you guys know why I decided to take this trade. So first and foremost, we're going to back up to the candle that I actually entered on, which is this candle that we can see right here. So the first thing that I noticed with this candle was that it was red, and it had also broken structure on the downside, letting me know that was my first confirmation that it was going to go for a sell. So when I say break structure, this is what I mean. So we'll notice that the market will be ranging, and the candles will tend to stay in the same area until it actually breaks out of that pattern, and starts to create a new pattern, which we can see happen here. So the first thing I noticed was that this candle had broken structure on the downside, and it also crossed below this purple line right here, which is the 200 EMA. And typically when the candles cross above or below, that's how I can confirm the trend. So for example, we can see on the left side, we had some small structure and consolidation. Then we had a break of structure on the upside, plus it also crossed above the 200 EMA, which is why the market continued to buy right here. So on my entry candle, I had my break of structure on this candle, and I also had the cross below the 200 EMA. So that was what I noticed in the top half of my chart. The second thing that I noticed was the MOM line was facing down. Even though it was still above the 0% line, it was facing down, letting me know that the momentum was with the sellers and that they had the potential to take over the market, which they did. And the third thing that I noticed was that the stochastic was facing down and also the orange was above the blue. And for me, these are surefire signs of a sell. So once I have all those confirmations, that's when I actually decided to take the trade. Now, I did set my stop loss a little bit above, which is why we can see the red area up here. And the reason why I did this is because if the market is selling and it's going down, something that signals a downtrend is the market is creating lower lows, meaning that price is continuing to drop. So if the market is creating lower lows, then I know my stop loss can be here, or where the highest high was. But I like to give myself a little bit of room. So I did about 40 pips. And then just to have a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio, I did a 40 pip TP, which we can see was hit here. And then I have a second TP of 60 pips. But this market may continue to drop, or we may just have gotten we can get out of this market and it's a wrap. So that's why I decided to take this trade for a sell. It did go in my favor, and anyone who actually took this trade idea was able to make money as well. So I really hope that this was helpful. If you guys learned something, make sure you leave it in the comments. Don't feel scared to subscribe, and also don't feel scared to share this with somebody else who you thinks that it could help. But that is all for now. Until next time, rich friends.